really excited about viewing this property that I'm about to look at. Similar to last week's video, this one is about half a mile away from the other one. It is also on a no-through road, which is quite rare. We are in a small village just outside of Bannister. As I said previously, this is my main kind of hunting ground at the moment. Again, referencing my wish list. Personally, I think this is really important. Again, it's something that we cover in great detail in the upcoming course I've got, the First Timer's Guide to Property, Renovation and Development. So this property I'm really excited about as a holiday let. It is super modern, not my normal style at all, but it looks like it's been quite well done. It's kind of like grand design style, lots of glass, that sort of thing. It's got a swimming pool, which is a huge tick for me. I can put a swimming pool in somewhere, but it's just a headache that I don't need, to be honest, if it's already there. Lovely. Really big, this one, a 3,700 square foot, which is about 350 square meters. Absolutely massive, huge garages. So yeah, see how we get on. That, I can safely say, was one of the best house viewings I've done in a long time. House really cool, very good quality. I always look at things like, I don't know, like the tiling in the bathrooms, just all the tiny little details. Really nice quality, good materials used. You could see that the owners have created it from themselves rather than just like a developer just done it off the cuff and just to flog it. My main concern before viewing this was the proximity to neighbours. For what I want, it's too close to the neighbours, which is a real shame. I just had to go there to see it, to feel it. That's not to say it couldn't be used as a holiday let. It's just a slightly different management strategy to what I'm after. I said a couple of weeks ago in my video that on my wish list, one of the big ones is having 2 properties on the same plot. I'm still looking at stuff because trying to find that is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. So I'm still looking at single plot properties. The views on this one were stunning. The layout is one of the best layouts I've seen in a property. Had a really cool area like underneath that's kind of semi-covered, but then you had access for outside and you could have a barbecue there. Just really nice social spaces, everything connected together quite well. The master bedroom, weirdly, was almost too big. So for a holiday let, it's kind of too much of a statement, I felt. It's fine, it worked. As a house, I would absolutely love it. What was really interesting about this viewing was the estate agent. So it's for a popular firm who I use a lot. I've bought with them, sold with them, all the rest of it. They got a branch in Bannister, really good. I got chatting with the guy doing the viewing, really nice guy. And we just got chatting and our paths have kind of crossed a lot over the years. Now this, again, is something I cover in my course. It's about building relationships. It's about getting to know people. If you're in the business of buying and selling property, you need to work very closely with estate agents, and it makes much more sense to make friends with them. So sadly, this property isn't going to be for me, which is a real shame. If I was looking for a home, categorically I'd be putting an offer in. As a business, for what I'm specifically looking for, it doesn't quite do it. Anyway, see you next week. Bye.